Hey guys, Brian Sparks here with Sparks Construction. Wanted to give a little feedback on Dmitry and his products. I met Dmitry about a year ago, following him through Facebook, and then I actually physically met him at a IMG Expo in Chicago. But his products have really helped me. I mean, he's helped me just without the products, through advice and looking up to him and business mentor pretty much. And then his products actually help me, kind of branch out and market to things that I would never have even thought of if it wasn't for his products or, talking to him himself. But he's probably he's going to be like the living legend of marketing. I mean, he knows so much more than people I've ever met, and he's thinks of things that I would never even think about. So I would highly recommend all his products to anybody that's looking to get any type of marketing advice or branch out for marketing and kind of just go against the company and just separate yourself from all your competitors. I mean, the stuff you learn from Dmitry is just going to put you over the top for everybody. So